Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the brand new feature that lets you allow Grok to remember your conversation history on X, also known as Twitter, right from your computer. This update gives Grok a big upgrade in memory, making your chats smoother, more personal, and way more helpful over time. So, let's get started. First, head over to x.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You're going to click on More. This opens up a list of options where you'll find all kinds of account tools and settings. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all the behind-the-scenes options live. Once that page opens, move to the section called Privacy and Safety. It's the place where you control everything about how your information and activity are used on the platform. Now, you'll notice a new option under that section called Grok and Third-party Collaborators. Click on it. This is the heart of the new update. Inside, you'll find the setting you're looking for. Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to that option. That's it. Once you've done that, Grok will be able to recall what you've discussed before, making your interactions more continuous and intelligent. Think of it as giving Grok a short-term memory that keeps your past chats in mind to respond more naturally. It's a simple change that can make a big difference, especially if you use Grok frequently for ideas, brainstorming, or daily conversations. After turning it on, you can always come back and uncheck it whenever you want Grok to forget your chat history. The control stays entirely in your hands. And there, you have it, a quick, easy guide to activate Grok's memory feature on X Web for PC. Try it out today and see how much smarter your conversations can feel.